What is up, everybody? This is Trigger signing in. We are at Indian Creek Nature Center Trail. Here's Devin, little Trig. Please don't.
I'm doing that waiting for us.
So I'm gonna try to go live later here. So we'll see how that works. I just want to get a video in first because when I go live, man, it eats my battery up fast. But this is very, very close to where I live. It's very close to Marion, Iowa. So, Indian Creek. I'm here with Little Trig, obviously you've seen him. And I'm also here with, who is that? I see movement.
What?
Oh yeah, there's a bird in there. It's just a bird, guys. No big deal. Alright, hang on. Right there. Alright, guys. But, Duda's World,
Hi.
he's recording.
Yep.
If you want to see a different version of this video, go to Duda's World. He's getting clips of this place too, guys.
Yep.
You got shorts on.
Oh.
Don't try to get in the long grass. Coming up on a bridge here.
Oh, yeah.
My dad is coming. I'm gonna meet up with my dad here. Be the first time you guys get to meet him, hopefully. I don't know if he's a camera shy. He used to record me when I was a kid. So. Alright, here we are. We are enjoying the outside. Very beautiful outside. You can see where it gets really flooded when water gets high up. Right now it's pretty dry. Yeah, but what do you guys think? Should I go live later?
Yeah.
I just hope I don't lag out here. Let's go this way, guys.
The green belt.
The green
Cedar green belt.
Cedar Green Belt.
Let's go this way. We were thinking of going this
Dun,
way.
dun,
Last time we
dun,
were here.
dun, 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 dun. Triggers go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The little Trig goes marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah.
Little thing. I think.
Wow, look at this path, guys.
I think Slendy's around here somewhere, Devin.
Yeah, Slender Man, guys.
Little one goes off. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah.
The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah.
The little ones have to go run. You're supposed to run.
You do it. I like the version you do.
Okay,
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah.
hurrah. Ants go one by one, hurrah. Ants go one by one, hurrah. And they'll be all falling down. Bum, 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 bum. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two, the little ones have to pick up sticks, but they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain.
So I got a haircut, guys.
Bum, bum.
How's it look?
Your turn.
Oh, look at that. What's up there? 2 paths.
Or maybe 3. One that way, that way, and that way. And there's a bench right there.
Alright guys, let's go back to the beginning here. Alright guys, come on, I'll teleport.
Okay.
Devin, get in. No, get in here.
Get right in the middle.
1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh! Ow!
Oh,
Ah.
oh gosh.
Woo!
I know who you.
I fell on that teleport.
Oh yeah, me too.
Ow.
Oh, oh my. I died. That's not good. Ow.
Okay.
Oh no, is that the beginning here? How? How did I tell them again?
We're at the beginning. Let's go left.
Okay, let's go left. This is that. That was the landing. Okay, that went over that way.
There's also a train that comes by here pretty fast.
Yeah,
You remember that train?
yeah. When we owned that, me and my dad went this in the back.
Oh,
There's something in your back.
something's on my back?
Oh.
What's on my back? What's on my back?
Wood chips and stuff. Oh, chips.
Thank you, Devin. Sorry, Mama. I know I got the shirt from you, but it'll be cleaned. I got the shirt for you. Did I say from you or for you?
From you.
I got it for her and I got it from her.
Why you just call me? Because that's 35 minutes video.
Oh yeah, you did make a huge video earlier. It's not done downloading yet.
No.
It's the struggle, guys.
We find him on the
It's the struggle.
At least I got something.
Yeah.
This little game.
That's a good positive attitude about things.
Because, yeah, it wouldn't be my battery because I know for a fact that it's charged.
Okay, guys.
Just gonna have to put in the comments. Sorry about the cutoff.
Yeah. So stick at me. Which way should we? We're probably gonna go towards the train area when we go live.
Just wonder. Can we? Can we eat those?
Yes, we can actually.
Yeah, we can. But that would be disgusting. No.
Okay, guys. I'm actually gonna leave this here. I'm sorry about the short video, but I do want to go live when my dad gets here. And my dad most likely might be trying to get a hold of me. He's probably close. Look, there's a trail that way.
No, we can go that way.
Yeah, just stay in the middle.
I think we've been this way before. Oh, yeah. Me and you. I was like, remember it kind of cut off?
I'll show you guys this real quick. Okay, yeah, me and Dude have been here before. It starts to disappear, so. That's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video with me, Trigger, Little Trig, and
Dude, check you guys later. See you next time.
I'm Trigger, signing out.
Peace.
Peace!
Look at me, I'm standing on the right, learning how to read. There you go.
Freaking ruined my outro, man.
Come on,
Got Little Trig, Dude's World. Trigger, signing out. Peace!